Hey everyone! This video is about how to make your stay abroad worth the while. So, how to not waste your time while being abroad, or how to get the most out of your trip. I'm going to refer to the 10 rules of staying abroad from Engelbert Thaler, the author of this awesome book for teachers. Hey, yeah. But I also going to add my own experience in. Number one, but that should be pretty obvious, be prepared or prepare your trip well. Get the right equipment you need for the countries. Look up the weather. Look up what sites you absolutely need to see. You don't want to go to Egypt and miss out on the pyramids of Giza just because you got distracted by some camels and you didn't do your job and read the Wikipedia article for 2 minutes. Do the research. Be prepared. It's not that much effort and you will be very, very disappointed in yourself when you miss out on these amazing places, things to do, people to meet, or food to try. Number 2, set clear goals. And by clear goals, I mean if you want to learn Spanish, it might not be enough just to book a flight to Spain or to South America. No, choose a country, look up what language they are speaking. You don't want to end up somewhere where they don't speak Spanish but Portuguese or Catalan. And then you should also maybe book a language course there and you should look up opportunities to speak the language. Or you should make a contract with yourself to speak to one person that you don't know every day. But do it. And if you have the goal, then you should make every decision in favor of it. Do it, dive into the culture, try out new things, speak Spanish, and do everything to pursue that goal. Number 3, choose a target language accommodation. Do not go to the international hostels. That might be fun to meet people that are there to travel with you, but you will not speak the language. You will always find people who speak your language or English or whatsoever, and you will never get to learn the language as well as you might have learned it if you would have to organize everything in the target language. Book the cute Airbnb with the old grandma there and ask her everything. Talk to her. Ask for advice where to go. It will be fun. It will be worth your while. Also, you might learn a lot about the culture there from the people who are living there and so on. Next, you need the right mindset. Do not expect everything to be always good, always meet fantastic people. No, that is most likely not to happen. You will have good moments, you will have bad moments. But to really appreciate the good moments, you have to be at the lower points, where you miss your family at home, where you miss your friends, where you wish you wouldn't have gone on the tour because it's very hard. No. Appreciate both. You will have bad moments, you will have great moments. And that, after all, is the experience. Use and share your experiences. Talk to people about your experiences, about your adventures. They might add up to that and tell you about their experiences. Maybe they've done the same thing. They can give you advice. Also, use your experiences. If you've gone to a 5,000 feet high mountain and you got very sick of the altitude, maybe not go there again and learn from it. One of the most important things is stay in contact with home. Your family and friends are interested in your stories, of course. That's just another way to share your experiences. But also, do not expect that at home nothing changes, nothing happens. Ask your friends how they are doing, what they are experiencing. Don't lose contact to your friends. And also, this prevents you from a reverse culture shock that everything changed while you were away. This gets more important the longer you are staying away and abroad. Please do not lose contact with home. Next up, speak the target language. This is very, very important. Do not choose the easy way out by speaking English when you are in South America or so, just because it is easier. No, just do it. Nobody will laugh at you because you said something in the wrong way. Or did you ever laugh at someone just because they tried to speak your language and they said something wrongly? No. You would be very supportive of them, help them to speak the language, and that is exactly what will happen to you if you meet good people, and the most people are good. Also, if there are people who speak your language, ask them not to. For example, if you get on the taxi, ask the taxi driver to speak in his or her language. Use every opportunity to speak the language and you will learn it, I promise you. Next, seek contact with natives. You will get very good speaking opportunities and also you will learn so much about the culture and this is so worth it. Also, they might ask you about your culture and you are going to reflect on your own culture and compare those two cultures and you will get so much from it. Also, you might make some friends in this way and you can stay in contact and once you are at home and you want speaking practice, you can just Skype them or Zoom or text them and you'll have a nice contact abroad. Last but not least at all, be open. And I'm going to draw a blue banana here and this is a symbol. For example, you know yellow bananas and in another culture they do things slightly different. Be not afraid to try them. If you see someone else there eating a blue banana and they like it, try the blue banana. It's just a symbol for getting out of your comfort zone, trying new things. And you should try new things. It's always fun, it's always worth it. Do it. And that's already it. Let me summarize the points. Number 1 was be prepared. Number 2, set clear goals. Number 3, target language accommodation. 4, mindset. You will have up and downs, be okay with that. Then, share and use your experiences. Then, contact with home is key. Stay in contact with your friends. Ask them about what they're up to, what you're up to, and you will not lose connection. Then speak the target language whenever you can. It's important. It will get you so far in life. Then search contact with natives. Seek for those connections and be open to new experiences, new cultures, new habits, whatsoever. Be open. And that's already it. Thanks for watching. I'd really appreciate a like on this video and see you next time.